You show it to teacher.
Hello,
You answer it by yourself, okay? Or you read now.
the king
Yes,
found a big ring. He began to sing and sing. Oh, what made the king sing? It is because of the big ring.
There's the big ring.
Oh my God.
You listen as you read. Write your answer in the blank. Okay.
What did the king find?
Where did you put the lizard?
A
No, that's a.
big
Where did you put your lizard?
ring. Big. What is that?
Put your lizard.
Big
Wing.
wing.
It's the same. Or ring, wing, king. Answer. What's your answer?
Is it a ring?
Write it. A big ring.
Can I make it?
Write it. Right now. A big ring.
Can I?
This is the line. Oh.
Okay.
Where did you put your
A
lizard?
big ring, not ring.
Where did you put your lizard, Bucky? Oh, there! Where?
You copy whole that one.
What? Oh, there! Where did you put your lizard? Mommy,
There should be a space, Shana.
Where did Markin put his
I
lizard?
don't know. You look for it. It's not my lizard. There's a space. A space big. Go. Right. Together. Together. Big is together. Space.
There.
Very far away. Together. Read number 2.
What did the king do? Run and run. Sing and sing.
What did he do?
Sing?
Yeah. Oh, you already sing and sing. You're right.
Okay. Small
Joaquin,
letter S.
where's your lizard?
You fix the toys, so you will find the lizard. Go, fix. And
There.
I'm just gonna tickle it.
Mm-hmm.
There.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Juliana, can I see your ring?
Huh? Hey.
This your slime?
You answer na.
And
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where's your lizard?
Very good.
Okay.
and this.
Opo.
Lizard.
What?
Mommy, where's my cell phone?
Really? Later.
What?
Later for you. Read this.
Wow.
Very good. Correct. Word with S.
Words.
Rhyme.
Walking the
Rhyme.
This is
This one is rhyme. Rhyme
walking. Look.
Rhyme
in
This is walking.
the
story.
story.
Oh, what word is rhyme in the story? The same sound. Like this one.
Walking, look at this.
Cat, mat, flat, cat, mat. How about here? What
This
what
is
words
sticky.
rhyme in the story?
Walking, it's sticky. Walking,
What's that?
it's gonna walk.
This
What's
It's
that?
gonna
Tell
walk
me.
on the wall.
ring.
Okay, alright.
Walking,
now
just
ring.
look at the spider.
Jaden, you are so noisy. I am videoing here.
Walking. I said what? Look at the
I
spider.
Mm-hmm.
N
Yes.
Sticky.
and G.
Opo. What else?
Thing
Okay.
Ah,
there.
Opo.
Okay. S
I love spider.
I
Opo. Jaden and
And-
Joaquin, you want to bike?
Yeah.
Fix the toys there in the sala.
Bye.
Joaquin,
G and G.
the toys there you did not get. There's lizard pa there. Oh.
What? Walking, where's your lizard?
Jaden, you fix the toys. What else?
Homophones?
King.
Okay.
Okay.
Fix na. Hey, daddy will come na and you are not ready. We will not go. It's okay.
Okay. I
Opo.
N G.
Okay. Bye-bye, teacher.
Bye bye, teacher.